Now, step one of replacing the string trimmer line on the Husqvarna battery-powered string trimmer is always remove the battery. You don't want this thing starting up while you're turning the head. Get you about 18 feet of 0.80 string trimmer line, and you're going to turn the string trimmer head so that the align arrows line up. And once you see 1 and 2 lined up, that is the 2 tabs lined up pointing at each other, that will open up a channel that's in the center of the spool that allows clear passageway right through the center of the string trimmer head. Then you'll be able to feed your line straight through it. And this will go right through, like I said, through the center of that string trimmer spool. And you'll see it come right out. It works better one direction for me for some reason. Then what you want to do is you want to even up your ends and make sure they're even all the way down to the spool. Make sure that your line is not tangled while you're doing this. Then with the line even, and you see the arrow going counterclockwise, and as I'm turning this, you see the line coming in. Keep your line unfouled while you rotate. That knocking is normal. Those are the bump feed locks. Ryobi string trimmer has a crank that you can put on the head and turn it that way. Husqvarna, you grip it by the hand. Now I'm going to insert the battery, give it a couple turns. I may even need to bump it. Now watch your eyes when I turn this on, okay? Whew. That loud noise is it trimming to length. It's just that easy. It would have been easier if there was some sort of crank that you could purchase instead of gripping it with your hand, but Husqvarna didn't do that. If you have any other questions about the Husqvarna battery-powered string trimmer, be sure to drop those in the comments below. I'll answer those in turn. Now, if you excuse me, I got some weed eating to do. I'll see you in the next video.